everybody. Got a package in from OSC today for the Pursuit. I'd put the Leopard 2050 kV, 3650 2050 kV motor in it, and it did good. 47 mile an hour. Temps weren't awful, but I just felt like being a little risky, so I ordered another motor that came in that I'm fixing to put in it, along with dual cooling rudder. I'll do that tonight. I just want to get the motor in and probably go run it. If not, I'll get the rudder on and go run it tomorrow. But went with a Leopard X2 3660 2380 kV. So gonna be running it on 4S. Now I put the OSE 150 Raider in it. So modified the servo mount. I had a piece of that came off another TFL servo mount that I put in the M40. So I epoxied it on so that way there's no more side to side. That servo would move side to side under those zip ties. This actually fits around it and has a slot cut to hold it in place side to side. So now the zip tie is just holding it from coming up and down. So no more of side to side motion. Say just that little bit of movement in it now. It was awful, sliding all over the place. But anyway, gonna get this in there and hopefully we don't melt it down. Yeah. All right, the wind is blowing like crazy, but I got the new Leopard X2 3660 2380 kV motor in, 4S X 642 prop on it. Try to get a speed on GPS. Just try it out. Only thing I forgot to do was set my timing on my ESC. I'll have to look back. I think this is a D-wind motor, so I want to set it to 0 or 5 degrees. I think it's on 15 now, but anyway, we're going to see how it does. Alrighty. Start. Stop. Read. 0 mile an hour. Start. Registering the movement. Run pretty. Let's see if we did any better than 47. Stop. Read. 50 mile an hour. Perfecto. Perfect. All right. Start. Pick it up. That was pinned those last few laps. Just never let off the gas. Check those temps. Check that speed. See how she did. Stop. Read. 49 mile an hour. Come on, baby. God damn. Didn't bring my temp gun. Wires are warm. ESC's fine. Motor's got a little heat in it, but I think just the issue is going to be the motor wires. Battery's cool. Sweet. In a hurry, trying to get down here. Forgot my temp gun, but oh well. I'm gonna guess, the 140s, 150s on these. So they're not too hot to hold, but they hot. Hot. ESCs warm. Battery's cool. Motor's warm. Motor's pretty warm. That's it. Let's go throw another battery in it and just goof off. How you doing?